Hello everyone and welcome to my very first video for Kitaholic Kits. I'm really excited to bring you an unpacking of the April 2018 kits. As you can see, I'm starting with the main kit. And this kit is centered around the Pink Fresh Studios A Case of the Blahs range. Haven't seen this range before, so I was pretty excited when I started unpacking it and thinking about all the things that I could do. The pages all have cool names. This first one is Blah. I personally like the B-side better. This one is called Meh. I love this graphic side of it. I can see myself using that and colouring some of them in. This one is called Oops. I love this steely bluey colour, but I really love these houses. This next one is called Messy, and I can see myself cutting up and using some of these squares, especially the little house at the top. And I quite like this dotty background as well. This one is called Imperfect, and it has rows of imperfect scallops. I love this script. This one is called Flawsome. I really like this graphic design on the back. This one is called Chaos. I can see myself cutting out that strip, but I love the floral. And this last one is called Awkward, although I don't think it'll be awkward to use either side because they're both really good. So great selection of papers. I personally love those colours. They go well with what I like to scrapbook. It also includes this stencil from Kaisercraft. It's called the Collage Stencil. I thought getting it out of the packet might make it a bit easier for you to see, but I'm not quite sure. Anyway, it's going to be fun to use that one. And then there's a pack of alphabet chipboard, great for titles. And then this pack of phrase stickers from the Pink Fresh Studio Boys Fort range. Over 70 different phrase stickers in there. And then this pack of ephemera from A Case of the Blahs. As you can see, some really cool things in there to use, especially like the little bits of florals in the houses. I have a thing about houses at the moment. This really cool packet of acrylic stars, great colours, and I can see myself using those sprinkled over a page. This packet of wood veneers, both this packet and the acrylic stars are from the Corbett Creations range. Some great little words and stars and speech bubble and little tiny light globe. That's going to be fun to use. And to finish off, there's this packet, or this glass, or a little bag full of die cuts, and little labels and tags and cameras and phrases. So they'll be good to use as well, sprinkled all over the pages. I'm not sure what range they come from, but they coordinate great with the colours in this main kit. Now on to the embellishment kit. As you can see, there are pieces from A Case of the Blahs as well, and I'm starting off with this roll of washi tape. Had a bit of trouble finding the end, but it's a great green chevron that's going to go in nicely with the colours. These are puffy stickers. I really like that house and the coffee cup and the sofa, so they're going to be fun to use. Some enamel dots from the same range, which means the colours are going to coordinate wonderfully. This pack of embellishments from Kaisercraft. These are acetate embellishments with a travel theme. And to finish off the embellishment kit, we've got this pack of chipboard embellishments from Pink Fresh Studios, A Case of the Blahs. There's some really cool elements on there, just waiting to go onto my pages. So this is the embellishment kit. And finally, the third kit that I got was the mixed media kit. I am rather fond of mixed media, so I can't wait to use these. As you can see, there are 2 bottles from Kaisercraft. Apple and orange are the colour names. They'll tie in really well with the colours from the papers. this set of stamps, and if you got last month's kits, they're the stamps from Misty Mountains, and then this cool little stencil. I love the way it's packaged. There you go, there's the purple stencil, and it comes with a card already done to give you some inspiration. So this is it for the month of April. They're the kits that I got, and I can't wait to use them. You'll see me soon having a go with it all. Thank you.